Let's look at the question where, in the state of Maryland, the sales tax rate had been 5% until January 1st, 2008, when it was raised to 6%. Some citizens felt that 1% was not a big deal. The Greens wanted to purchase a big screen television to watch the Super Bowl that year. The television cost $3,000. How much would they have saved if they had bought it before January 1st, 2008? So for a problem like this, I'm looking at percentages, in particular sales tax. I need to understand how sales tax is calculated. Sales tax is where the percent is always calculated based upon the total amount being sold, the total amount being considered. It's always that percentage of. So if before January 1st, 2008, sales tax is 5%, we say tax is 5% of some value that's purchased. After that, we say tax is 6% of a value purchased. So from that, I can make an equation, or I should say a statement, which I would turn into an equation. So tax is, we're using tax as a definition. Tax is a percentage, so X% of, I'll say, total cost. The basic definition of tax. And let's see what we know. We want to know what the amount is saved based on these two individual sales tax amounts. So we need to figure this out twice. Tax is what I want, so I'll say T is interpreted as an equal sign. Before 2008, it was 5%. So as a decimal, I'll divide by 100, make it 0.05. Again, we can't have percentages in the equation that we work with. We always want decimals. Of is interpreted as multiplication. Total cost of this particular television is $3,000. Now after January 1st, 2008, I have a new equation, and that is T, our tax, is equal to, from is, our new percentage is 6%. Let's change it to a decimal. I'll divide by 100, make it 0.06, times the total cost, which is $3,000. So I'm comparing my two individual sales tax amounts to see which is a better deal. So in the first one, I'll say 0.05 times 3,000, and that gives me $150 in sales tax before 2008. After 2008, I'll say 0.06 times 3,000 gives me $180. So what this means is before 2008, the Greens would have paid $150 in sales tax. After 2008, after January 1st, they would instead pay $180 in sales tax. So clearly, 6% gives you a greater sales tax. The question is, how much would they have saved? So we say, what's the difference between 180 and 50? I'll subtract 30, specifically $30. So if the Greens would have bought in before 2008, as opposed to after 2008, they would have saved $30 on the sales tax.